Where did you get that gift, sweetie?
In the door, Mom.
In the door?
Yes.
What is written on that gift? That anak ko? Message?
Message?
You read it? Do you know how to read?
No, I put the table there.
I see.
There's a Merry Christmas, Serena Santa.
From Santa. Really?
Wow!
What's that, sweetie?
Wow!
Wow, what's that? Wow,
It's my toy.
your toy. It's computer.
It's cute.
Wow, you open it.
I love it, Mommy. Wow, there's a button. Wow. Ooh. Look.
What's that? It's Sumiko grass.
This is Miko Grass. This is Cat Mom. And this is White Panda. Oh.
Do you know how to open it now?
Yes, Mom. There's a tape. So,
You remember? Be careful, anak ko, ah.
Mommy. Oh. Okay. Right now.
Wow.
Let's open.
Let's open. Oh, don't destroy it now.
Oh no. What is this? Wow. Oh,
What's inside?
there's a tape there. There.
You want me to help you?
No, thanks, Mom.
You're excited to open it alone?
Yes. Yes. Oh.
Oh.
And here. Let's open.
We're on the kitchen, right?
Yes, we are kitchen.
We're on the kitchen. And you're excited to open your gift from Santa. Wow. Gosh.
This is so hard. Oh.
Oh. You're gonna... Oh, it's okay.
Oh.
Are you okay?
Yes.
What's inside, Anna?
Wow, it's cute.
Wow. That is...
Computer.
Computer.
It is cute.
Yeah. That's,
Wow.
Wow. That's so beautiful.
Wow.
Wow.
Wow, it's amazing.
It's amazing. Wow.
It's cute.
It's cute.
Oh,
You can change the mouse, anak ko.
yes.
Wow.
You can put it here.
Yeah.
This is charge.
Yeah, that is a charger.
I don't know.
Yeah, that's a charger, anak ko.
This one. Let's open this.
Do you know how to open it?
I don't know, Mom.
I'm gonna open it later for you.
Oh, this one. Wow. Cute.
Oh, you're gonna open your computer.
What? Open computer. Wow.
Wow.
I want to see it, Mom.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Wow, that's a beautiful computer.
That's cute.
You open it now.
Wow.
That's a beautiful computer, sweetie.
Wow.
Wow. Your computer is just like you. It's so cute.
Yes, mommy.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Wow.
Let me just put this one.
Okay.
What's this? What?
Your computer is so beautiful.
Yes. Let me put it.
Mm-hmm.
Close.
Mm.
And put here.
Wow.
Where's this?
Your computer is so beautiful, anak.
Yes.
Just
thank
like
you.
you.
Yes. Wow.
That's beautiful computer. Or you're gonna charge it so that you can use it.
Maybe.
That one is there. Yeah.
Cute.
Yeah. You're gonna charge now.